Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn about how to wrap text upon the image. First of all, open the InDesign software. Here we are using trial version, so click on continue trial. Then open document. Then press OK. Then open a text file. After opening text file, click on rectangle frame tool. Then create a picture frame box. This is the picture frame. Now import any image. First of all, click on File menu, then click on Place and select any image. Then press Open. Now right click on image, then select Fitting and choose Fill Frame proportionally. If your image is not clear, then right click on image. Then click on Display Performance. Then select High Quality Display. Your image look like perfectly and high quality. Use direction tool if image is not set up in the page. Now press Ctrl and click on document, then right click on and select arrange and click on send to back. This is your image page which is look nice and text wrap upon the image. Using ellipse frame tool or polygon frame tool, we can arrange and wrap text upon the image look like. Thank you.